So guys, this is another like the kids Bluetooth warm headband. Today we are explaining and showing it here. It's came in a good plastic pouch. You can see it a zipped one, and then the pouch holds all this microband, so it's easy to carry. You can see it here, like there is a thank you card and the instruction that how you can connect this Bluetooth headband to your phone and listen to the music. You can take your calls. It's pretty fun for the kids, but I'm not sure like if for the small younger kids they are going to take the calls, but at least they can enjoy some music while they are in the winters outside. Here are all the instructions, and then it's pretty much clean and clear. This band is actually comes in a very nice warm one, and this can be charged through micro USB cable. Here is the cable supplied with the package, and then you can see that it can be connected. I will show you. And then this is a good unicorn smiley face. These are the controls for the Bluetooth, and here is like the sticky for the adjustable size, and here is the cable. So this you can use for charging. I will show you that I will attach this micro USB in it, and you can charge this Bluetooth headband. It can be easily connected through USB. So here now I will show you the controls, and when you press it down for the long press, and the Bluetooth will be on, it start blinking. These are the volume control buttons, and in the end I will just show you that how this shows. There are two speakers inside this headband, so and then the size can be adjustable, and you can fit it like on the kids thing. It's pretty much good and sticky. So this all fine good. I connected through the Bluetooth and it works fine. The sound is okay. I will not say a very loud sound, but sound is okay from these two speakers, and because it will be very near to your ears or the kids' ear is good. So how you can connect is through like this one, start blinking, and then I will just show like it shows how it shows on the mobile. Increase the volume, plus minus button, and here it shows on the mobile. So I tested it, it's all good, looks fine, pretty much fun. So when I connected, the blinking stopped, and here it shows on the mobile how it looks, all good. How it shows like that, FAH Blue.